I have an old 2-wire thermostat with only R and W. It works with a Honeywell digital thermostat. Now I want to upgrade to a Honeywell wireless thermostat. Can I simply connect the R and W wires and be good to go without a C wire?
Hi there, what model of thermostat are you wanting to install? The wireless thermostat base unit, to be installed down by your HVAC system, usually will require C to be brought from the furnace control board and hooked up to base unit. Depending on the age of your system, there may be a C connection on the control board that you can run a wire out to the base unit. Let me know any questions, thanks.
New thermostat is Honeywell RTH 8580WF. The furnace is a new propane unit. I'll head to the basement and see what the panel there has on it.
Okay. So this is OFI-enabled therm, not wireless as in no wires from furnace to therm. You will need to get a wire from the furnace up to the thermostat for it to work.
There is a R and W wire 24 volts back to the furnace, on 2 wires. The Wi-Fi is so that I can control the heat while away from the house. Can I simply connect the R to the C connector, to provide power to the thermostat, and the W to the W?
Negative, you will have to get a third wire to the thermostat for it to work.
Okay, thanks for confirming.
The C wire makes a circuit between R and C, to provide 24 volts to the therm. Most therms can just run on the power provided by batteries, but this needs more power to run the Wi-Fi end of it.
Not sure I understand. These wires used to support a mercury thermometer, so there must be a live circuit between the R and W wires.
Correct, a thermostat is just a switch, like a light switch, on/off. But there is only power on one terminal, R, and when the contacts make call for heat, it sends power back down on the W. But their new therm needs a power circuit all the time, hence the need for C to be connected.
Odd that Honeywell wouldn't have engineering it to use the power from the R. Anyway, I guess I need to call an electrician.
It is using the power from R, the C is the other side of the circuit, hot and neutral, and when there is a call for heat, it sends power down on the W. If you get someone to run a new wire, or if you do it, run at least a 6-wire, for future use, AC, humidifier etc.
Will do, thanks.
Depending on whether it's attached inside the wall, you can use the old wire to pull the new one through. However, in heating season you might not want to take the chance, as you could end up with no wire lull. You're welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.